Hey guys, the BCC from Orion here. On today's episode of Cooking Hero Factory, I'm going to be cooking Hero Factory. You might be wondering where Orion is.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
LQ! LQ! This is an April Fool's Day joke. It's not funny. This is it. LQ, you better get me out of here. All your subs, you only hear it from me. You guys can't copy my content and just leave me in the hands of kidnappers. They're serious. Help! Can I take a shower? I'm very filthy. I haven't cleaned this suit since the LJ Johnson video. No, seriously. It's just been sitting in my car fermenting alongside like 30 loaves of rotting white bread.
If you do not comply with our demands, he will be killed slowly, and in water, in freezing cold water, and beat to death with breadsticks. You will have 48 hours to comply. Our demands are you make more stop-motion comedy. If you do not do these things, we will remove the cancer from Orion's brain and he will no longer be able to make quality content.
We fired him last episode on Cooking Hero Factory for being incompetent, I think. Now, if that's all out of the way, let's get this show started.
M'lady.
There. This won't work. No. Give me a moment, ladies and gentlemen.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Now that I got the costume all in order.
No!
This is
The
cancer.
sunglasses.
This
You see, I don't want to do
is
the
so much
sunglasses.
cancer that I can
Spanish
feel
teacher
the
of mine
tumors
said that.
growing on my back.
Beautiful eyes.
And it's way
Now
down
I get
heavy
all the
on
ladies
me,
with them.
and it's not okay. And just stop this,
And thus I
please.
don't.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop.
I can grow facial hair instantly. I don't have any Hero Factory for it. So, I'm gonna need to hunt some wild Hero Factory. Look guys, it's Breeze. She floated all the way from Idaho to here. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch that wild breeze. Ah. Now, just to add her to the dish. I need to work out.
Extra thick!
I'm not in costume or anything, but look at all this clean, great water. Just some of that in my dish, and I got some in my grab so much of this. Come on, a bit more. Yeah. Look at all the beautiful water I've got now. I really shouldn't, but beautiful looking stuff right here. Can't let this go to waste. Alright, now that I've gathered all the ingredients, I'm going to be making some brie sandwich. Whole wheat LJ. Car brake fluid from Wet Puddle. The backwash of some random college student. Apple cider vinegar. Mini Chips Ahoy. Homemade sauerkraut. Come on, Breeze. Let's get you nice and... This is, it might be tea, it might be coffee. But it's coffee. Oh. Apple cider vinegar. Just, now that you got your whole wheat LJ, just a few. Yeah. I don't know if this is good or not. Onion powder. Chili powder. Ah, nice and soaking. Let's light this on fire. There we go. That only added black ash. Okay, time to try the brie sandwich. It's so good I'm gonna cry. You want some Hero? No, you don't want Hero Factory. Why don't you want Hero? Oh yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you've donated to our Patreon, you've probably seen them behind the scenes, maybe, or there might be one coming out, or you might be on public. I don't know.